Talking to you, baby. I just get carried away. You blow my mind. I just get carried away. Talking to you, baby.
So before we go to the beach, first we get Starbucks. This is how they be doing when they be like logging and talking in the car.
Move, bang.
Move, bang. Okay, so we just pulled up to, I think it's Pu'uloa Beach Park, and it looks dope, but the only issue that we're having is it's drizzling a little bit. It's drizzling a little bit, but I'm still happy with it. First of all, the sun ain't out. It's not gonna be beaming on us, but it's raining a little bit. So let's just see if God will be on our side and just seesaw up. Hey, mama. Hey, girl. You getting all tucked in? You really a mom. Look at that. She got the baby wear. She gotta get the bag. Gotta make sure she got the diapers. You are a mother. So we're in Ewa Beach. This is our first time in this area, but passing through, they had like nice Starbucks, nice shopping centers. I like the area where there's not a lot of tourists. That's the key. Go to an area where there's not all the touristy places, where it's just laid back, good old Hawaii. So wifey and the baby had to go under the little canopy because it started to drizzle a little bit more, but it stopped. But it feels good out here. You got some people leaving, but I just like coming out on the beach and just looking out into the water. It's amazing. Just when I said that the rain really isn't that bad, it started to just drizzle constantly. And I was sitting on the beach by myself, and I said, you know what, let me just pack my bags and come on back to the car, just wait it out a little bit longer. The people beside us, they started to pack up too.
That's what I was saying when you said, huh? I said, you got to listen to them kind of people, because he know what he talking about. He said, I'm pretty sure by the wind it's about to rain.
Yeah.
So that's why I said, oh, okay,
so
cool.
They started packing up, and then the people beside them started packing up.
Yeah. When I saw them packing up, and like in a hurry,
yeah,
I was like, yeah, let me go ahead.
Yeah.
But I wasn't gonna come all the way back to the car, but I realized that little shelter place right there, it is nowhere to sit.
Yeah.
And McKenna's too heavy.
Yeah.
So I was like, let me just come back to the car and wait it out.
Yeah, well, it's all good. It feels good in the car though.
Yeah.
And we're just chilling, you know.
Just
we got
out.
Yeah, it feels good to get out, and this is it's still a nice beach park though.
Yeah.
They had the basketball goals over there. I like it.
It's nice out here. And they have a playground out here.
Yeah.
So it's real nice.
McKenna, you like it? Do you like it? Yeah, you do? Oh, okay, that's good, that's good. Go McKenna, go McKenna, go. It started raining.
Back, man.
Yeah, because that'd been a lot trying to deal with her.
I like sitting in the car when it's raining.
Yeah.
Go, baby.
The weather didn't even say it's supposed to rain. That's the crazy part. But it hit that. I know you, man. Still feels good to be out, you know. Got Michaela with me, got McKenna with me. I got my girls with me. That's really all that matters at the end of the day. Hey, girls. Jones crew, let's go.
Hi.
Jones girls, let's be out.
You got boogers.
Ew. You got boogers.
Hi, say dada. She moved her mouth like she wanted to say it.
So what you want to do? You want to chill out here, or you want to just?
I enjoy being out.
Yeah, I'm cool with sitting right here for a little bit.
Mine being out, but I don't know if I just want to sit.
All right, so the rain has stopped, and we checking the weather. 76 for the rest of the afternoon, and there's no rain. It's just windy, so we might be in business. I'd be darned if this trip was in vain. Well, McKenna, what are you doing over there? What you trying to grab?
Daddy. Look at Daddy.
What you trying to grab? Uh-oh.
Daddy.
Yeah. All right, round 2. Let's try this again. McKenna got her brand new big girl stroller now.
Yeah.
Let's see how she fits in it. Ooh.
Then you do like that. Oh, big girl.
Good job.
Big girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, you like that?
McKenna. Looking like somebody's mama.
Talking to you, baby. I just get carried away. You blow my mind. I just get carried away. Talking to you, baby. I just get carried away. You blow my mind.
McKenna. You said hey. You said hey.
Hey, Daddy.
So I'm glad we decided to wait it out. Now the sun is kind of peeking through the clouds. McKenna is able to get out on the beach. Michaela got her stunner shades on. I got jazz playing in the background. It's a good day. She's still kind of unsure about the sand.
Yeah, she's not a sand girl.
We took some pictures back when my parents was here when we went to Turtle Bay, and she put her feet in the sand, and she did not like that.
Look.
She don't like that at all.
Talking to you, baby. I just get carried away. You blow my mind. I just get carried away. Talking to you, baby. I just get carried away.
Where airport at?
See that plane?
That ain't the airport though. Honestly, this is the life. I don't know, when I get to the beach, I always try to just think about life. And I got my beautiful baby girl right there. Beautiful wifey. Life is good, man. Your feet so soft. Your feet so soft.
Subscribers of America. if you know us personally, or if you don't, and if you want to bless us, we need a wagon, one of those official wagons. You see them when the family go out and they have multiple kids in that little wagon. This Jeep has one. You can find them at Dick's Sporting Goods. Sporting Goods. They're nice. They're expensive, but if you want to bless the Jones family,
Cash App's in the description. Yes, sir.
We'll take Cash App. We take Zelle. We take all of those fine things. But we need a wagon because eventually there will be more Joneses on this side. However, when we do things like this, this is unacceptable. I'd rather be pulling than pushing. You get what I'm saying?
All right, the ending of the beach trip. It rained a little bit, but we did enjoy our time on the beach. Little mama is in the back seat right now. She was crying. She missed her nap. It's time to eat. So we've done all that we could do. Now it's time to hit the crib. Babe, you enjoy? Yeah, for the time. Yeah, it was actually pretty fun. For the time that we were actually on the beach, we had fun, we read, we let McKenna get used to the sand a little bit more. So we're gonna do a lot more beach trips or just trips in general since this is our last year in Hawaii. It's really flown by. We were talking about that on the way here, how we got here in 2021 and now we're in 2024 and I ain't gonna tell you where we're going next, but we're going somewhere after Hawaii. So thank you all for watching, and until next time, y'all be cool.
Talking to you,